morning, students. Welcome back to your English class. Students, today we are going to learn a very interesting topic of writing section, that is email writing. In the world of digitalization, email writing plays a significant role, and this is the fastest, quickest and the cheapest way to send, receive any message. For that you must have an internet connection, and this is the quickest way that a message can be conveyed. It is always the writer who takes time to type the message, but just when the typing gets finished, just after entering the sender's address, you can press the enter button and here goes your message. But yes, like every writing section, email writing also has a proper format, and that's why we can write down an accurate email. So what is that format? How can we write down email? Which are the tips and tricks which we need to take care while writing an email? All this we will be learning in this video lecture. So let's start understanding email writing.
Email writing. First of all, students, let's know about the definition. An email, that is electronic mail, is a short and forward method of composing, sending, storing and receiving messages over communication system through internet. It is the quickest way to communicate in writing. There are a few things which you need to remember while typing an email. First of all, subject. The subject should be concise. Concise means clear. Next, it should give a clue to the content of a message. When the subject of the email is written, when the subject of any writing section is written, then please take care that your subject should give an idea to the reader that what he is going to read about. Further, it needs not to be a complete sentence. It should always be written in small phrases. Next we have salutation. In salutation, we always write the person like dear sir, ma'am, or we can write down the first name of the person, dear Varun, dear mom, dear dad, grandfather, etc. To whom we are writing the email, that person will be mentioned in salutation. Opening statement. It is a part of the body of email. So opening statement, whenever we meet someone, whenever we write to someone, then obviously we need to begin with greetings. We do not straightforwardly come to the point like, okay, this is the reason that we are writing to you, but rather we always begin with greetings. Hello, how are you? Can be a good beginning. And when we are replying to someone's email, then we can write down thank you for messaging, thank you for writing to us. Always take care that the word limit is 100 to 120. Do not exceed it. Do not write lesser than them. Next, after introduction or after opening statement, we have paragraph. Paragraph can be 2 or 3 in an email. In paragraph means the content, the body of the email, we are going to write down our point, but the point, the message that we are going to convey, that should be clear and to the point. Each main idea should be in a separate paragraph, making it easy for the receiver to understand the message. The language should not be that much complicated that the reader even doesn't know that what the person who is writing to me is going to tell me. So definitely language impact is so much, and the language should be proper. Complimentary closing. If we are writing a formal email, then yours faithfully, yours obediently, etc. If we are writing an informal email, then yours lovingly, yours truly, yours, etc. we can mention, and at the end, sender's name is there. This is all about the description of email writing. Next we have the format. In format, first of all draw a box and then mention onto the very left hand side date, and to separate the heading date we need to mention colon sign, not any other. Always remember that the date will be written in the format July 9, 2021 or July 7, 2021, whichever date is there. Never ever put any dot, slash, hyphen when you are writing date. Then from. In from section, always sender's mail ID, mail email address is mentioned. Then to. To means the email ID of recipient will be mentioned here. Then subject, I have already explained that it is always the reason for writing the mail. Salutation, main body, subscription, and then sender's name. Students, while typing an email, please take care of the format that not only includes date, from, to, subject, salutation, but the entire things like margin lines also, wheresoever the space is required, in which format the date will be written, and how the email is going to be completed. Now see one solved example. You have recently come back from a school trip which you enjoyed very much. Share your feelings with your grandfather through an email. First of all, as per the format, we'll write down all the necessary details like date, from, to, subject, then salutation. Since we are writing to grandfather, so here dear grandpa will be mentioned. Introduction, or we can say greetings. Hope both of you are fine, means you and grandmother, both of you are fine and enjoying the fresh air of our village. I am sending you this mail to share my experiences on a school trip to Amritsar. Grandpa, we were a group of 20 students and 2 teachers who went on this trip. We started from Chandigarh on 6 July in the morning by school bus and reached there at 10 am. We visited the historical Jallianwala Bagh and the Golden Temple. It was a wonderful experience. Our teachers told us the importance of both the places. After having lunch at the temple, we went to the Wagah border between India and Pakistan. The evening flag ceremony was awesome. We danced and shouted slogans. In fact, I enjoyed my moments there the most. We returned the same day and reached home at about midnight. These are the paragraphs in which the subject matter has been mentioned. At the end, warmest regards to both of you. Yours lovingly, Priyanshu. This is the perfect way to write down an email, and children, Please take care of each and everything. Wheresoever the boxes are required, take care of punctuation mark, like only colon sign will be there after date, from, to, subject. In email address, all the letters will be small. So this is the description, format and a solved example of email writing. I am 100% sure that you are able to understand and you will be writing perfect emails with the help of this video. In next video, we'll meet with another topic of writing section or grammar. Till then, keep practicing. Take a very good care of yourself. Goodbye.